What is going on, y'all? In this video we caught a freaking massive grouper, literally during a freaking tropical storm. My buddy came down on vacation and we had a little bit of a window to catch a grouper, so we said sure enough we're gonna try and do it. And literally we went out in the morning, gigged a stingray at Sebastian, but we didn't have any luck. And then we cut the stingray in half, went to Fort Pierce, literally crushed. Got our freaking grouper that we wanted. It was pretty epic. There was literally a barge that pulled up out of nowhere. We didn't see it coming. It was insane. It pulled up right over the fish. It got snagged up. I had to swim in the water. But we ended up getting the grouper. I mean, it was pretty freaking insane. Honestly, y'all just enjoyed the video. And like and subscribe, y'all. Woo! Oh, wow, y'all. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'm fucking very excited to be here right now. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. Fucking going out, dude. Alright. Grant's gonna go chill in the whip. And I gotta do some work, man. I gotta do some work. It's a little bit windy for like 2 people in the kayak. I feel as though if I just grind it out, I'll get some quick, get some baits for us for this morning. Probably about 4:45-ish, 5. Get down. You got a ship coming in. He doesn't give a fuck, bro. Get down from that rock down there. You're gonna have to put your rod in the water, bro. You're gonna have to put your rod in the water. Holy fuck! Come on. You got him good, bro. You got him good, bro. Woo! Woo! Get down. Down. You're gonna come down with this, put your feet down. Right up in the water, please. You got it. Right him all the way. Oh my god, this is chaos. Boat pulling up. Right him all the way in the water, man. Down. You're left right here.
goggles. Yeah, you climb down through the pole. Through the pole. Yeah. And like you jump onto the rock.